To restore a healthy forest means to restore the ecosystem services and processes that were going on before the fire, before disturbance. Some examples would be clean water running from streams. It would be producing timber if that was one of your goals, providing wildlife habitat, and other things. Biodiversity is the abundance of different types of plants and animals that are present on your site or in your forest. It's important to restore that because biodiversity provides a lot of hedges against climate impacts and also provides the maximum amount of different types of habitat and ecosystem services. Replanting with native species is really important because native species are most often adapted to the site that they were already present on pre-fire. Restoring them post-fire will give you the best opportunity to create a healthy, resilient forest to future disturbances like bark beetle attacks, more wildfires, and things like that, diseases that are present. A site prescription is a list of all of the management actions that you're going to take in the case of reforestation in order to reforest. Those can include things like planting trees, and also things like chemical site prep or mechanical site prep. You should consider your future desired conditions for your forest when developing these, and that can start with things like herbicide all the way through your long-term managements like potential future thinnings. The goals landowners should consider when preparing to plant trees should really be focused on their long-term goals for their property. They should have a clear picture of their intended use for the property and what they are hoping to get out of it, such as recreation, revenue, or other ecosystem services. If you don't plant trees after a wildfire, it can take a long time for conifers to naturally regenerate, especially if there's no live trees nearby. And that can lead to overtaking of your forest by shrubs or other non-conifer species if that's what you'd like to be present on your site.